If your AI voice sounds off without flow, you need voice editing because after editing, your voice will become what you clicked on this video for. Today, I'll guide you step by step on how to edit AI voice to make it realistic. Like a real human, making people wonder if it's AI or a real person. And this video is especially for those who ask about my voice. So let me tell you the exact process I use to edit my AI voice. Don't miss any part because today I'll show you the complete process of how I write simple scripts in both Hindi and English with one click, and how you can generate two different voices from one speaker using an important setting in 11 Labs. Then I'll edit that voice live in front of you. And at the end of the video, I'll answer some important questions you have that are crucial for monetization. So without any nonsense, first of all, let's go to 11 Labs for voiceover. 11 Labs is open now, and we have a script that I initially wrote in a rough copy. Then I turned on voice typing and brought it into Notepad. Now, I can't just tell you to write it correctly because after so much time and research, I've understood that among 100,000 audience, there are people who don't know English or Hindi properly. Therefore, I won't discuss things like commas or full stops. Just ensure that what you want to write is clear. Like here, it's written yes jobs, but I was saying AI. So it's important to correct these small things. The rest of the script has quite a few mistakes, like bookmarks. Here, a full stop wasn't needed, yet it's there, and below, voice is written as watch. So now let's copy this script and bring it to ChatGPT. Then we'll prompt here to correct the script's quantities and write English words in English. After that, paste the script within quotation marks and close the quotation marks. Now here you'll get a perfect result in the same prompt many times. But sometimes it starts giving in points, so you should stop it and adjust the earlier prompt a bit. Tell ChatGPT not to use too much of its own intelligence and not to write in points, etc. Write as it's written and send it. Now you can see that all words have been perfectly adjusted. Like image to video is written in English, but our main script was half Hindi and half English. Similarly, many words have been perfected. But still, there are some changes we don't want. Like here it's written at the end of the video, but I wrote it as at the end of the video. So these changes can disrupt the script's flow. Therefore, we'll try adding some more lines in the prompt, not changing words ourselves, and send it with this prompt. Now this is our final script where everything is perfect. You can see it's written at the end of the video, and with this, our script is complete. And to make a realistic AI voice, 50% of the work ends here. Now to generate voice, I'll copy the script and head to 11 Labs. Paste your script here, then click below to find all speakers. Many people were asking my speaker name, so folks, Adam is my speaker name. We won't talk much about other speakers right now. You can listen to the voices here and select yourself. Now let's talk about the important setting you'll find by clicking on settings here. It's the model option. There's a significant difference between the V2 and V1 options here that people often ignore. I'll show you the difference by letting you hear it. First, select V2 and generate the voice. Now, I can't make videos for different AI tools every time. That's why today I'm going to tell you my secret tool, which is added alone in my browser's bookmark. The voice you just heard was slow and not in flow. But most people use this because it's the default selection. Now select V1, keeping stability at 75% and similarity at 80%, and generate the voice. Now I can't make videos for different AI tools every time. That's why today I'm going to tell you my secret tool, which is added alone in my browser's bookmark. So you can hear and understand that its speed and speaking flow are perfect, which greatly helps in making it realistic. But keep in mind, sometimes V2 fits better on different speakers, so you can try both yourself. Now let's download this and move to the final step, voice editing. For voice editing, we'll use Goldwave Audio Editor, which can be found on the Play Store. And if not, I'll send you the APK on the Telegram channel. Install it and open it. Now when it starts, it will say running in Chrome, so click on Got it. And if anything else appears, you can click OK on that too. Now you need to rotate the main interface. Then, before importing the voice, there are some important settings to make that will make this task much easier. So click on the menu and go down to Settings. Then from Settings, click on the toolbar here. We'll add the useful items here from the toolbar. Let's start with the export option, then redo will be added as undo is already added, and then copy and paste, then delete. And when you scroll down, add all from the last selection. The effects and such down here are already added. Select these and click on the right to save. And here we have all our options. Now let's learn how to edit a voice in 2 minutes. Click on Import and add the voice from the media picker. Once the voice is added, understand some important points. This will help with line selection above. To remove silent parts, you can zoom in and out on the track from the middle area, and wherever you click in the lower area, the voice will play from there. So first, let's zoom in. After zooming, bring the blue line to the silent area and delete it from here. Similarly, bring these two to another silent area and delete them. You need to do this according to your needs because sometimes silence is necessary for the correct voice flow. You can also select it directly by pressing it up here and moving forward. Now, after removing the silent part, let's zoom out. Now I will. Then click on All to select it. Now go to Effects and use the first pitch effect. Pitch can add thickness to your voice or make it thinner. If you reduce it below 100, the voice will thicken. Now I can't make a video every time for different AI tools. Therefore, if you increase it above 100, it sounds robotic. Now I can't make a video for every different AI tool. I suggest keeping it between 95 to 98, according to the speaker you selected. I usually keep it at 96. Now let's go back to effects and use the second most important effect, which is the equalizer. In the equalizer, you control the bass from the top section and the treble from the bottom section. Whether you make changes or not, always raise the starting bars slightly. This adds loudness to the voice, and adjusting it this way balances both loudness and clarity. You can listen to it. Now I can't make a video every time for different AI tools. So today I'm going to share my secret tool with you, which stays added on my browser bookmark alone. I keep less treble in my voice because I prefer it that way. Now I can't make a video every time for different AI tools. Besides these settings, adjust the top and bottom lines according to your voice and save it. Apart from these two, the other effects make very little difference. You can keep them the same for all speakers if you want, as small changes can make the voice very different. Our third effect is the compressor. In this, just keep the threshold low like this and save it. Then let's move to the fourth effect. For this effect, click on Pop or click Effect from below and select it from the Director preset to save. This effect is used to remove extra click sounds in the voice. Now let's move to the last effect, which is Smooth. This is also an important effect. You can select Reduce Hisses from the preset and save it. Now, before listening to the final voice, export it, but first click Save and rename your voice. Then after saving, click on the Export option here. Once exported, your file will download. Now, for the final step, open Chrome and search for Adobe Audio Enhance. And then come to the first website and sign in with your Gmail. Then open Enhanced Speech and add the edited voice by clicking Choose File here. With this, you'll get the enhanced voice in some time. So download it, and here is the final comparison. Now I can't make a video every time for different AI tools. So today I'm going to share my secret tool with you, which stays added on my browser bookmark alone. Now I can't make a video every time for different AI tools. So today I'm going to share my secret tool with you, which stays added on my browser bookmark alone. You can adjust this complete voice process according to different speakers and follow the same steps. Now, before discussing important questions, subscribe to the channel and make your AI voice realistic like mine with this complete process. Let's move to some important questions. The first one being, will free AI voice be monetized or not? I've given the clear answer 1,000 times that there's no problem with paid and free voice. Both will be monetized, And when you listen to others, you get confused, so let me clarify. It's not just the 11 Labs website that provides such AI voices. You can generate the same voice from another iWebst. That's why no copyright can be claimed on it. Now, the second question related to monetization is whether it's necessary to edit the iVoice or not. So, the clear answer is that it's not necessary to edit the iVoice. The main thing for monetization is your video content. If you've provided value in your video, it will be monetized. If your content is reused, then reappeal and show the editing you've done, saying, I do this, I do that. Then your channel will be monetized. So stop asking if this voice will be monetized and work hard on your content, because that's the main thing. That's all for this video. Do let me know how you like the video in the comments, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.